it loses that power. Sa lahat ng mga palabas na ginawa mo dito sa GMA7, what's closer, what do you miss most?
Kung aagawin mo ang lahat sa akin,
Bakit?
with me and Glyza De Castro and Rich Asuncion. Kasi doon nabuo yung friendship naming tatlo. And we became really good best friends kaming tatlo. So bringing back those memories, I remember working and being with your friends and just, you know, nakakatawa kasi kami ni Glyza, naging best friends, pero sa show, nagsasampalan kami. So I just love it. I love working and being with your friends at the same time. It makes it feel like it's not work. Yeah.
Oo. Paano yun? Paano yun? Halimbawa, your best friends in real life, and then, di ba, sinasabi ng direktor, ito, dito, sorry for the word, it's a very strong word, kinamumuhian yung isa't isa.
Yes.
That's tough, di ba?
It's so tough.
Do you talk to each other?
Yes.
Na, Glyza ha, ganito ha.
Pinaplano na namin kung ano yung mga gagawin, okay lang ba, ganito. And then magsasampalan, magre-rehearse. Siyempre sa rehearsal, wala pa muna yung sampalan. Pag take, nagsampalan na pagkatapos nagtatakbuhan towards each other to hug each other.
That's true.
Ganun palagi.
Okay, dito walang sampalan, but we're going to do fast talk. And we have 2 minutes to do this, Max, and then we have 2 minutes to do this, and our time begins now. Cold summer nights or hot summer body?
Cold summer nights.
Level of your hotness, ilang degrees?
101%.
Yeah, that's my girl. Swimwear, sportswear.
Swimwear.
Breathe in or breathe out?
Breathe out.
Kalma o kaldag?
Kalma.
Yoga or yogurt?
Yoga.
Boat ride or motorcycle ride?
Boat ride.
Rap ballad?
Rap.
Bashers, gate crashers?
Gate crashers. Mas gusto ko pa yun. Yeah?
Bagay na lagi mong dala?
My cellphone.
Bagay na lagi mong nawawala?
My self-respect. Charot! Hindi, joke lang. Bagay na palagi ko nawawala. Ano ba? Siguro may hair, may ponytail. Palagi.
Okay. Guilty or not guilty? Nag-walk out sa date?
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Nagwalwal sa bar?
Oh my God, guilty!
Guilty or not guilty? Tumakas kay mommy?
Guilty. Sorry, Mom, I love you.
Guilty or not guilty? Nag-cutting classes?
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Affected ng bashers?
Guilty.
Your favorite Francis M. song?
Girl Be Mine.
Your favorite Francis M. movie?
Bagets.
Sa mga kapatid mo, who's your partner in crime?
Minsan si Frank, minsan si Sab.
Lagi mong katalo?
Si Sab.
Lagi mong kabanding?
Si Frank.
Pinaka-kaugali mo?
Frank and Elmo. Si Elmo, kaugali ko yan.
To love or to be loved?
To love.
Others first or self?
Self.
Move on or move in?
Move on.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights off.
Happiness or chocolate?
Chocolate.
Best time for happy chocolates?
All day, every day.
Complete this. I find peace in
accepting who I am.
It's a journey, but it happens.
Yes.